What is up? We are just out for a drive. It's nice and sunny and warm, and I just had to do some data logging to send back to Lund with the Coyote engine in here. So now that I got that done, I'm gonna drive around just a little bit. I am waiting for my son to finish at basketball tryouts, so figured I might as well put some miles on it. It's a super nice day, little warm, but not too bad for a little cruise. It's funny with the 235s, hopefully it's not too much wind noise. With the 235s on here, the first wheels that I had, those things would just blaze so easy. Now with the Continental 285 Extreme Contacts, they definitely hook up a lot better, especially now that they're nice and warm. Makes a big difference, and it handles so much better as well. Still, depending on the surface, that road definitely was blazing them in first into second. As you could probably tell on the video, this road is definitely old and crusty. That other road was brand new asphalt, so it hooks up so much better. You probably can't see it right here, but I finally, well, you can see that. Got my squirrely knob in here. I still need to put my shifter selection markers on here, but I temporarily just put them in permanent pen. My hand controls over here. You can see it pushes down on the gas right there, and then when I do that, pushes on the brake. And then if I want to do, right now it's in sport mode, if I want to do manual shifting, you won't be able to see it. I have two buttons right there where my thumb is behind the steering wheel, so I can go down a gear right there, go down another gear, go up a gear. So yeah, the hand controls are working pretty good. I may still adjust them a little bit. We'll see what happens, but it's good enough to be going out for a rip in it. Forgot that we got the seat, haven't got it upholstered yet, but it's like a 2000 I think Super Duty back seat maybe. So I got the old armrest, which is kind of nice, especially for a feller like me without abdominal muscles, you know, paralyzed, and makes it feel a little better when I'm, you know, cruising the back roads here. So see what these tires do on this road. Oh yeah, it's funny because it hooks pretty good in first, but as soon as you let it bang second, it just blazes pretty good. I got the Valvetronic mufflers on here. Right now they're in quiet mode. I actually took the controller out, so I'm gonna redo a couple of things, maybe make my own way to control it, which should be kind of cool. Yeah, such a blast to drive this thing. Handles real good. These roads outside oh yeah, we're in Mexico, right? These roads out here in Mexico, they're a little bumpy, but it still handles it good. I stiffened up the front a little bit just so you can see there's a couple of times where I've been bombing some of these back roads here, and it's just a little soft for some of these bumps. Hey, look at that. Wonder if this guy wants a little something. brake kit that I have on front, it really hunkers down and stops well. Feel like you kind of get airborne off some of these bumps here. Because there's a little bump around this corner, and you used to be able to bomb it like right there, and you could hang a car sideways and induce a little bit of a drift over it without too much effort. But there's just too many cars, too much traffic, so you can't really hammer down too much. Like a pretty good spot to get squeaky. Alright, well I hope you guys enjoyed the little ride along, showing you the hand controls and stuff. Time to get back up to the old United States here and pick up Karsten from his basketball tryouts here in a little bit. So yeah, thanks for hanging out. Hope you enjoyed the ride. If you got any questions about it, about the setup on the truck, just ask in the comments. Alright, thanks for hanging out on the channel, guys. Have a good one.